Being a woman, being me. Being me isn't easy. Being a woman in my comfy cocoon, I'm trying, breaking free. A distant dream it is, breaking free. A dream I can never hope to come true. Easy it is in my home, my kitchen. Lovely it is, my children, my garden. I fit in every role. A wife, a mother, a daughter, a sister. But where do I really belong? What am I really? Just a mother? A daughter? Do I have an identity that I can call my own? A woman I am in my little forte, my home, my family. That is, after all, my world, but maybe too small for me. So dragging it is, full of mundane routines. So cramped it is, and now I'm looking for me. Will I find me? For I'm still a woman in my comfy cocoon, trying to break free. Being a woman is easy, but what about being me?